Hello guys, Rudrasaniya here. Today I am back with another video. So in the last videos I have told that I will make a video on Python. So today I'm back with the video, but today it will be Python. Today I didn't post Scratch because I am still working on a project. So I have finished project in Python. So today I'm going to share it with you. So let's start our game. Let's start our project in Python. So this is my code editor here, Atom. So you can use any code editor. I have let's say I have IDLE Python. I have IDLE. You can download IDLE from the python.org website. So you can use it. You can do it in Visual Studio Code, Microsoft Visual Studio, anyway, Sublime Text 3, anyway. So it will be a calculator in Python. So there are strings, loops, variables. So let's start. So def means define. Add A and B. A and B means the first number and the second number. So semicolon and result will be equals to A plus B. Sorry, plus B. B. A plus B, then it will be print A plus B equals to result. Mean it will print the result of A plus B. So this will be a very small video, the short video, not lengthy. So print A plus B equals, then comma result. So just copy and paste. Subtract in the sub, minus and minus. So I have some news that from now I would be posting only 2 days, 1 day for Scratch and 1 day for Python. So my school is started, so I can't give so much time for these videos also. So let's go to her and let's paste it again. Multiplication, multiply, and then result, then div, just paste. Very short, this is very short. Div slash and we have defined our multiplication and division. So and now we initialize. A is equals to int initialize input another parameter, enter the first number, semicolon, space, and copy it, paste it, put it B, enter. These are variables, okay? These are variables. Enter second number. So now we will finish it. So op is equals to input, enter the operator. So enter the operator. Enter the operator means signs. Operator. Next, put semicolon, space, and then enter. Now if op is equals to plus, then add AB. So we will copy first we will write if op is equals plus and put a semicolon, then add AB, add A and B. And AB. So now we will copy next this going to leave a line, but it will be elif now. So V and just so if minus then sub subtract and copy this, copy it here, into multiply and divide div. So we have done if statement, and the last should be else we will print invalid operator if we don't give an operator or give an invalid operator. So invalid operator. So yeah, we have finished. So now I will just wait a minute. Yes, Sorry, I had some problem to run, so let's run a code. Yeah, so yeah, I have fixed my problem, so let's run a code. Like, I'm still having a problem. My laptop is not. So guys, I was having a bit of problem in Atom, so I had copied and pasted it. Ideally, you can use any of your code editors. So I have copied, and it's the same code. No need to have changes. I just copied it into. Ideally, my Atom was giving a bit of problem. So let's run the code. So I'm just telling you that this time, yeah. Okay, we have put something wrong, so it's an input, so it's input, so input. Sorry, my mistake. I'll just save it and fine. So enter the first number, that's a 698574 236598948 and the operator I would multiply. So A into B is equals to 165278975